Hello dear Virgos, welcome back to my channel and this is your reading for the month of August 2024. So let's begin. Those who are new to my channel, please note that this is a reading directly from the book of Nostradamus and I have also started Hindi or Urdu readings as well. So if you're not comfortable in this language, please go and watch those readings. Please ignore my hair. It is of course monsoon season, so you all remember Monica from Friends. Let's begin. You guys are starting the month sitting at home, confined to home, maybe because of some sort of illness that I can see. Alright, you have got four major arcana cards: the Chariot, the Hierophant, the Fortitude, and the Sun, which is the happiest card of the reading. Okay, once again, let me just pull the table a bit so that you can see a little bit. I know you cannot see the entire spread, but I'm going to show it to you as and when we move forward. Let's begin. We have the first week with Eight of Stars and the Chariot. Some of you could be dealing with the Gemini. That is what the card says. Like I said, you will be spending some time in the month of August, beginning of August, bound at home because you could have got a flu, viral, some sort of injury that you were supposed to stay at home. Maybe mentally you were disturbed, you were asked to stay at home, but eventually life will move forward. The Chariot card says that whatever was keeping you at home, whatever reason you had, whether your own illness or your family member's illness, you will be moving forward in life. You will be eventually coming out of your home all fit, all fine and healthy. Coming to your second week, we have the Master's card and the Hierophant. It does seem that Virgos, either you have that kind of position in your life, a master, somebody who's maybe taking care of the entire home, somebody who has a business or their own, and that's why you are an employer and who have a lot of employees under them. You are taking care of your employees as well. Or it could be that you're also turning towards spirituality. You are somebody who is seeking help of maybe you thought that there is a lot of negativity in the house, so you call a priest at home, for or you have been not keeping well, or things have just not been going well, so you are now turning towards spirituality, calling and visiting churches, temples, mosques, gurdwaras and stuff like that, seeking the help of gurus to guide you in the right direction, to also take off the negativity from you, cleaning up or clearing the energy of the house. You are turning towards all that stuff. So see, the Hierophant here is somebody who's like a guru or somebody at a very high level, a priest, so who we turn to when we want major answers in our life, or to show us the direction, or to do some religious practices for us. I do see you turning towards such gurus in your life in the second week. Let's clarify more with Nostradamus what that means for you. It could also mean that there are some celebratory things happening in your life, maybe a start of new business, or someone's wedding or someone's engagement, that you will be encountering such priests around that time. Second week, that is, could be any week of the month, but second week is what it is. A master of higher wisdom. He is a master of higher wisdom. So definitely, like I said, either it's you or you are turning towards the master of higher wisdom, who can answer the real questions of life for you. The why are we here? What are we doing here? What is my purpose in life? Somebody who's very merciful. This card also says that. Both says that. So uh, I do feel that instead of you, I'm not getting this energy that it is you. It could be, so take what resonates with you. But I do feel that you are turning towards somebody. Maybe you are turning towards your master. Maybe you are an employee, you're turning towards your boss. Maybe you're turning towards, I'm sorry, I think my mic just dropped in. So it could be that kind of energy. Like I said, traditional energy, historic knowledge, good advice. Somebody for you want advice for your business or for your health. You have not been keeping well, nothing was going right. How to move forward. So you're turning towards such a person. You have one of stars and fortitude. Wow, what wonderful cards to have. It means that you will be gaining a lot of success in your life. You could be moving forward with a lot of strength and courage. You could be coming back home after a uh, fight sort of a thing. Maybe this was a fight which was with you. Uh, sometimes we fight with ourselves because we have been very negative in our life. So it could be that you have been very negative in your life, and that's why now you're finally coming after meeting the spiritual guru, after going through your spiritual journey, after finding the purpose in your life, you have come back stronger. I think you could be going to all those retreats that happen for meditation retreats, cleansing your energy, aura retreats. So I do feel that you could be joining such retreats in the month of August and clearing your aura and energy and coming back really strong like a winner. Both these cards are wonderful to have. Like a lot of success, we could be our worst enemy sometimes. So it's success, it's victory, it's coming out all strong, courageous. It shows strength, it shows moving forward with a lot of determination, it shows authority. uh, it depicts all things positive and strong. So beautiful card to have in your reading, Virgos. The last is the Initiate and the Sun. See, this means that you have to initiate something in order to find happiness in your life. The contentment, the purpose that you're looking for, you will have to make the first step, right? Initiate means that you will have to maybe approach a guru to find that answer. You will have to go through meditation, go through internal changes. You will have to take the first step in order to get that kind of changes in your life. So that is when you will find all the happiness and contentment in your life, all the success, all the victory. All right. So I am going to see you soon now. And this was your reading. If you did like it, please do like, share, and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.